I'm sorry about everything. Do you want me to do a blood sacrifice of myself outside to call the birds in?
Mm-mm.
No? Okay. All right, I won't.
I don't understand what I'm doing wrong.
I could go do a little... Wait.
The cat does not have a bark collar.
What if I did that?
It's a tracker. That would be pretty
For
good.
the birds, do you think they'll come?
You want to go do it?
Let me try. I'll be right back. I'm gonna call the doves. I'm gonna fucking Hitchcock this shit.
They all leave the area.
Wait. Wait. No.
Spike sounds like dog ass. Why do you know what dog ass sounds like? Mod?
If a bird shows up, that's gonna be amazing. I'm a bird wizard. Oh, that was a butterfly. I thought I called a bird. I called a butterfly.